A truck full of pumpkins, apples, leaves. Materials. You will need a sheet of construction paper. Since my truck is blue, I'm using blue paper. You'll need crayons, small circles for your wheels, something to trace, a Sharpie, a black marker, or a black crayon, a pencil if you want to draw first before your Sharpie. You don't have to use that, and a white paper for the background. The first step, you're going to take your circle tracer and trace 2 wheels at the bottom. When you're done with that, put a circle in each wheel for the hubcap. Then for step number 2, you're going to add a line that is horizontal to connect both wheels. Step 3, you're going to be adding curved lines around each wheel. Look at the picture in step number 3. In step number 4, this is the bed of your truck. You want to draw this one big, but only go about halfway up on your construction paper, but make it long. Pause the video when you need to. Step number 5, you're going to be drawing the part where the person sits in the truck and the triangle windshield on front. Number 6 has many details. Rather than explain them, please look at step number 6 and add them to your car, your truck. Next, you are going to be taking crayons and coloring in the entire truck. Notice the white windshield. Use a white crayon for that. You'll also need a black crayon, whatever color your truck is. Mine was blue, so I got a blue crayon. And you'll need, I use gray for the bottom, and you'll need white and black. So get those crayons ready and begin to color, and when you're finished, go ahead and cut out your truck. Now the fun part, time to fill the truck with fall. You can make pumpkins, apples, or leaves to fill up the back of your truck. Let's take a look. Find a small white paper and set your truck on top of it. In the empty space where things would be in the trunk or the back of the truck, you're going to draw pumpkins, apples, or leaves, something for fall to fill up the bed of the truck. If you look at the bottom left picture, I cut out my pumpkins, but I left a big piece of white paper below it. That's the part where I'm going to put the glue and glue it into the back of the truck. Look at each picture. Hit pause when you need to. You will be working on your landscape next. You will need a Sharpie or a pencil, and you will be needing a white piece of paper in the landscape position. We're going to make the background. What you see right there is a sample of what it's going to look like. At the top of the page, you see that I made some curvy, wavy lines at the top part of my paper. The next picture is colored with crayons. You want to use colors that are earthy colors, browns, greens, tans, black. Go ahead and color in your entire paper and also color in your sky. This is what's done in crayon. I did all of this in crayon, and then I glued my truck to it. If you want to use paint, let's take a look at what paint will look like on the background. If you're using any type of paint, you're going to be using the same kind of colors, earthy colors. When you're painting, please make sure that you start at the top of your paper by painting the sky and then work down towards the bottom. Here is an example and a comparison between a painted landscape and a crayon landscape. You're done. Make sure you upload your artwork to Artsonia. Bup, bup, ba, dup, bup. Clean up.